gonna make some Korean corn dogs. So let's get to it. First, we're gonna make the batter. I use pancake mix, probably about, well, we're gonna need probably like 2 cups. Ooh, y'all, this is gonna be a lot. 1 cup of cornmeal and 1 cup of flour. 2 tablespoons of a season. It's bad. And then we're gonna start adding the water. Woo. Each cup, fill it up halfway. So we're gonna cut these potatoes really thin. The batter. In the potato one, y'all know I gotta have a jalapeno one. Jalapeno. And add that to the second batter. So look, y'all, these some big ones. So we're gonna cut them in half. Got the hot dogs cut in half. We got the cheese. I wanna cut the cheese in half. So that's what we gonna do. Cut the cheese in half. Let me see some. Let me see if I can do it like this. Stuff it in the middle. Open it up. Put the cheese. Stuff it. Wiener too much, because then you'll take away from the comfort zone where it could hug the mozzarella cheese. Other one. Roll it in flour. Then we're going to dip it in the jalapeno one. Jalapenos on here. Let's roll it into the breadcrumb. See how fast it cooks? You know which one is which. But we got our Korean corn dogs in this piece. We're gonna sprinkle a little cinnamon. You got a video to see. But there you go, Korean hot dog. What's up, y'all? Yes, baby. So there you go. Oh, hot. This is the onion one. Have a bite. Onion one. If you love onions, here. Oh. Yum.